If you are wondering if you can use a memory card on iPhone 17, then the answer is no, at least not by default. The SIM tray on iPhone 17 does not include a memory card slot. You cannot use microSD card with the SIM tray. As you can see, the memory card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, if not even bigger. So unfortunately, in this case, you cannot really use it. However, what you can use is a memory card reader. I have my example memory card reader over here with the USB-C cable, so I can connect it to iPhone 17. And in this case, we can just insert the memory card into the memory card reader, and then we connect it to our iPhone. Let me try to do that. There we go. And this is how we can use additional storage with the microSD card. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.